One of our contractors is opening a new water park, RV park, and truck stop all together. And inspection is at 8 o'clock in the morning. And he's got some coolers that won't come down to temp. So pretty much we don't know what we're fixing to get into. It may be 2 minutes and turn a breaker on. It might be 5 hours and leave at midnight tonight. We don't know.
Well, try to check to see how much standing pressure it's got on it, see if it's got liquid. I'm almost tell you we ain't got no Freon in the unit. We got a Freon leak. It's out of Freon. We got a leak somewhere in the line. No, your solenoid valve's not opening. What's going on? On your head pressure, your suction pressure's down, so your solenoid inside's gonna be out. That's a bad solenoid valve. So our solenoid valve is just a magnet. It magnetizes and it allows Freon to flow through the line. Well, when you turn the unit off, it closes to keep Freon liquid from stacking up on that compressor. So we can run to town, pick one up, replace them, and have them ready to go for their inspection tomorrow morning. Have it running through the night for you. All we knew was a no-cool, and it's never been run. It's new construction. They couldn't get flow of Freon inside. So basically just a process of elimination, and we determined we had a bad solenoid inside, which is basically a magnet that operates off of electricity and allows Freon to flow through. And we're fixing to call the office and get a PO for one of our supply houses in West Monroe and run up there and get it. And then we'll have the customer up and going with it within the hour so he can have inspection in the morning at 8 o'clock. I need a PO for Baker in West Monroe. Thank you, sir. Y'all have a good one. Sir. Nothing to it. Time we pull in the driveway to pull out of the driveway, you're probably talking 10, 12, 15 minutes if we talk to a customer for a few minutes, you know, not long. So this is just my test magnet to test everything out to make sure that the solenoid itself functions. You can hear the Freon bypass when I run it in. And we're back on. You got it running now. That's us. We're gonna button it back up and get out of here. Thank you for the ride along, had fun. Glad everybody got to come along and see us today and visit and see what we got going on. Look forward to seeing y'all again here in the future.